Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make cute clay animations videos with Pippit AI. Pippit AI is an AI tool that helps you create creative visual content faster, including AI videos with unique styles like clay animations. And if you want to try it too, just click the link in the descriptions and pin comment. I have already put the link in the at there. And then next just open Pippit AI like this, and then just go to the video generator, this one, and then you will get the prompt box like this. Next just type your prompt over here. For example, I want to make a prompt like this. Before I have already prepared a prompt like this, and after that just choose your AI model. In here I want to choose Pippit standard, and then just choose your resolutions. In here I want to choose these resolutions, and then choose your language that you want to use. And in here you can also add a subtitle, and then you can adjust the video length on here. And after that just click on submit, and then just wait for the process. Okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's just take a look.
In a forest full of wonder, the most wonderful thing is our family.
Catch me! Catch me! The best meals are the ones we make together, with a little help from our little chef.
Kind heart is the most.
And okay, like this, the results I think look so incredible. And okay, just try this Pippit AI. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.